Morning, everyone. Welcome to another race. Sunday, April 10. It's around 8:55. Birds were released, I think, 7:45 for race A and 8:15 for race B. So I'm just setting these young ones right here on the roof. This is my second round. Okay, guys, so let's wait for the birds. Beautiful day. Come in, boy, come here. Got the first one, the grizzle. Stay. Damn grizzle. Come on, boy. Just drop. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. There's one. There's the second one. Come on, boy. Stay, stay. Come on, get inside. Come on. Come on, boy. Oh, baby. Good boy. come on, get inside. Come on. Stay. Hey, get over here. Okay guys, it's 12:30 and I got 16 birds already out of 28. Let's go to the speeds. Race A, the first one, the grizzle, 1522, and I got 11 right there, but he came by itself. Let's go to B, the first one with the speed of 1460, and I got 5 hens right there so far. So 16 out of 28 again. So let's wait for more birds. And come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, boy, come on. Easy, easy. Come on. Come on, come on. Hey guys, I got 21 out of 28. It's at 12:45. I'm going to end up the video right here, and I'm gonna show you the results of last race, 150 miles, and going to the store, get some wood and plywood, 2x6, and try to finish this section because I need to move the breeders from my garage. My garage is a mess right now, dusty everywhere. Even I have a fan right there, exhaust fan, not working. So okay guys, so see you in the next race, 300 miles. See you guys, take care. Okay guys, this is the results of last weekend race, 150 miles. So I got birds on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and out of 20%, but I think they making points anyways. On race B, I got birds on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16, 18, 20, 21, and down. Okay guys, so see you in the next weekend, 300 miles. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and see you in the next one.